Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create pattern design in Figma using pen tool and rectangle, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw circle 450 by 450 dimensions using ellipse. Draw another circle with 550 by 550 dimensions using ellipse. Align to bottom right corner. Select both the object and subtract. Select Object and click on Radial Repeat. Change properties to Count equals 5 and Gap equals 1.4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.